Hello everyone and welcome to Majestically Explanation. Today we are going to understand the concept of parts of speech. Parts of speech. According to Merriam-Webster, the definition of parts of speech is a traditional class of words such as adjective, adverb, noun and verb distinguished according to the kind of the idea denoted and the function performed in a sentence. There are 8 parts of speech in the English language: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. The part of speech indicate how the word function is meaning as well grammatically within the sentence. An individual word can function as more than one part of speech when used in different circumstances. Understanding parts of speech is essential for determining the correct definition of a word when using the dictionary. A noun is a word of a person, place, thing or idea. Noun are often used with an article the, a, and but not always. Proper noun always start with a capital letter. Common noun do not. Noun can be singular or plural, concrete or abstract. Nouns show profession by adding s. Nouns can function in different role. For example, a noun can be a subject, direct object, indirect object, subject complement or subject of a preposition. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. It is an example. Second, pronoun. A pronoun is word used in place of noun. A pronoun is usually substituent for a specific noun which is called its antecedent. In the sentence above, the antecedent for the pronoun she is the girl. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappear. Here she and me is pronoun. Pronoun are further divided by types. Personal pronoun refer to a specific person or thing. Possessive pronoun indicate ownership. Reflexive pronoun are used to emphasize another noun or pronoun. Relative noun introduce a subordinate clause. Third, verb. A verb expression action or being. The verb in a sentence expresses action or being. There is main verb and something, one or more helping verb. She can sing. Sing is the main verb. Can is the helping verb. A verb must agree with its object in number. Both are singular or both are plural. Verbs also take different form to express tense. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. Here, verb is brought and disappeared. Adjective. An adjective is a word used to modify or describe a noun or a pronoun. It usually answers the question of which one, what kind of, or how many. Article a and the are usually classified as adjective. An adjective. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. This is an example of adjective, and here adjective is young and brought. Coming to adverb. An adverb modifies or describes a verb, an adjective or another word verb, but never a noun. It usually answers the question of when, where, how, why, under that condition or what degree. Adverb often imply. Adverb. Example of adverb. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. Here very, then, quickly is an example of adverb. Coming to preposition. Therefore, a preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to form a phrase modifying another word in the sentence. For example, by, with, about, until. By 3, with our friends, and about the book, until tomorrow. These are some of the examples which we can use. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. From the teacher, it is an example of preposition. Coming to conjunction. A conjunction joins word, phrase or clause and indicate the relationship between the element joined. Coordinating conjunction connect grammatically equal element, and but or nor for so yet. Subordinating conjunction connect clause that are not equal because, although, while, signs, etc. 3. There are other type of conjunction as well as conjunction. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. Here and joins the two sentences. Interjection. An interjection is a word used to express emotion. Oh, whoa, oops. An interjection is a word used to express an emotion. It is often followed by exclamation point. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. Oh my. Parts of speech. Today's discussion. We have discussed about noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. This all the things will help you in your spoken English. In this video, we have discussed the concept of parts of speech. In our next video, we will be discussing types of sentences. Thanks for watching.